Hello and namaste, all the innovative viewers. Welcome back to another technical video. And today we are going to install an instant geyser. As you can see, we have already got our instant geyser. Here on the box, we can see some safety and protection informations. Those are dry heat protection, overheat protection, earthing protection, waterproof grade IPX4, ground fault indicators, splash proof IPX4 standard. So now let's unbox and see what we got inside the box. Here we got a hose pipe, a hand shower stand, some grip and screws with washers, a manual instruction with warranty card, and a geyser, Midea instant geyser. So this is a controller, 1 2 3 3 modes and a 0, and some safety warning, and some specifications of the unit, model number, rated power 5500 watt, 220 to 240 voltage, rated pressure 0 MPa, and blah blah blah. It is a single screw for the cover, and the warning describes that the valve should be always in the inlet section of the pipe, not in the outlet section of the pipe. So here you can see inside we have a heat exchanger heater, instant water heater chamber, micro switch, 2 micro switches, terminal block for phase neutral and earthing connections. Another side we have some heater terminals, biometals, sensors. So from the manual book we got this diagram, 1 2 3 4 5. We have earthing line and neutral terminal block, thermal cutout, micro switches on, low, medium and high heating elements. The temperature controller knob is actually a switch for selecting heater. From the manual book we got some more information. 3055 is our model, and 2.5 mm square wire is required for the installation. So now let's do some paper marking arrangements for the installation of the geyser on the wall. Now with the help of speed level pencil and the marked paper, we can mark on the wall for the installation of the geyser. Now let's make some holes with the cordless drill, 6 mm bit, Now let's do some power supply wirings. Earthing, phase and neutral wires are connected to the terminal block. Don't forget to put the earthing wire for the safety measure. Now let's fix the cover plate of the geyser with a single screw. And also after screwing, we have connected left and right pipelines. The input water pipe is connected in left side and the output shower hose pipe is connected to the right side of the geyser. Here we have 3 positions for the temperature heating selection. 1, 2 and 3 are the positions and 0 is the off position of the geyser. Approximately 1, 2 and 3 selection positions are for 2000, 3000 and 5000 wattage power of the heating elements. As we close the inlet valve of the water supply, the geyser shuts down the heating and you can see the ampere is 00. And when the water supply is on, the geyser is automatically in on position. Therefore, here we got 2 controls in our hand. The first is rotatory switch, which is used for the temperature setup, and actually it is the wattage selection of the heating elements. And another is the inlet valve water flow control. With these 2 control setup, we can set precise temperature setting of the hot water, which is incredible technology for electric hot water instant geyser to set precise temperature of the hot water. So we can get instant hot water in a precise temperature setting for infinite amount of time. That is incredible. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.